Hey guys, welcome to our new video, and today we're going to learn how to be anonymous on your computer when you're trying to do something. Maybe you want to search something or you want to do something online, but you don't want to be traced, to know who you are, where you're from, and everything, things like that. And I'm sure you're familiar with something called Tor browser and what we call proxy chain. So we're gonna use proxy chain and Tor at like we're gonna combine them, then you use them to be anonymous. So what I'm suggesting, before you go to anything, log into your Firefox, log out from your Gmail, log out from your social media networks, everything. You should be logged out on all of those to start doing this, so it will help you not to be traced also. So now what we're gonna do, I had a problem whereby my proxies were not working, so, and I could start them, my Tor was not working, so I could start, everything was not working. So the problem, I didn't know what was the problem. What I did, I just switched off the computer, then I switched it back, then it worked. But then after I started doing stuff, then everything started working. So open your terminal. We're using Kali Linux, and after opening your terminal, you're gonna say service Tor status. You wanna check the status of the service, and you can see it's off, so you can clear that. And you can also, what you can do first, you can say, you can VI. Most people they use nano, but I VI. You VI // etc proxychains.config. So most people use nano. I like to use VI. So it depends on what you want. I really love nano. What VI? So I use VI. So you enter. So after entering, you're gonna see all these lines. What you're gonna do here, if this file is follow this line or these files, see, you have to uncomment your dynamic chain. So this is recommended by most of people who do this. And this strict chain, you can read and see each what does it do, but most people they like to use this dynamic, so I use dynamic chain. Then there is what they call strict chain, and also there's what they call random chain. And then when you come here down on DNS data leak, so this simply means you must be, your DNS shouldn't be leaked. So also you have to uncomment this if it's commented. So also you come down here, you can do this, you see, you can check these lines. You can put this is 4, 5, 6, 7. I did that. Some you can also delete these two, and you leave it 4 to 5. 4 to 5, it's fine. So once you show that everything is fine here, this should be commented if you're not using this, and also this should be commented the way it is if you're not using this. And we have to do here, you must make sure that your dynamic chain is uncommented. After that, then you can exit the file and save if you did do some changes. Then we can go back to our terminal and we start Tor. We say service Tor start. So if we start them, we can see, yes, we started it. So also we want to see the status now. Service, we can see if we can see some difference. Service, yes, Tor, what we say, status, and you say enter. You can see now it's active. It can show you that it wasn't like this. So you can open another terminal. I'm gonna close that, and I say what I say. I'm gonna recall one of the commands I wrote. Okay, you can say, type in, after starting the service for Tor, you type in Proxychains Firefox www.duckduckgo.com. so this DuckDuckGo, it can work like Google for you, but the difference is it doesn't track you, it doesn't trace you, doesn't do anything bad to see what you did or whatever. That's why it's recommended to use it. Let me say, click enter. If you press enter, you can see it's gonna take someone it's not going to work like the normal search you do when you go to a website. It takes time because we're passing through some stuff, not direct access. So it's here now, so you can see it's running, so it means you're anonymous now. How will I know that I'm anonymous? Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna say, what is my IP? What is my IP and address? Then we see here, you can check, visit this. Also it's slow. You can see it gives me this IP, and what I need to know is I want to see where I am, which country. There's some websites which gonna show you which country where you are, but now let me go back. Okay, I wanna see, go to DuckDuckGo, DuckDuckGo. Okay, go back there and say my country. Let me try this if I can get it. Just try that. We're not getting there, but we're gonna get something. I want to show you where we are exactly. So I'm in a different country, but we're gonna try to see if what is my net country. Let me see. Let me click on that and we see if it's gonna work for us. I think it's better I do like this and wait for this. They are, if using proxies, they are a little bit slow, but they give you something which is good. You can see based on your IP, they say I'm in Luxembourg. I'm not in this country. You won't believe. Since I'm not in this country, so it tells us that we're in Luxembourg, and this is good for you guys. So to test, whenever you run that, it can change and give you a new country. So I'm gonna copy this, and we go to we're gonna go and cut that, and we say service Tor stop. I'm gonna stop those services. Okay, they are stopped, and I'm gonna say service Tor status is off. Yes, good. Then I'm gonna go and say service Tor start, and start. Yes, I've started those services. Then I say service Tor status, they are on. So I'm gonna go and we visit our website again. Yes, we're gonna visit our website. It's gonna be a little bit slow, but I'm gonna also paste this here. Yes, DuckDuckGo is here. When we paste this here, it's gonna show you our country. We're in Luxembourg, so we're gonna see, yes, now we're in Netherlands. So you can see it changes the IP whenever you visit. So it simply means it hides you where you are, and so that if somebody traces what you were doing, it's difficult for them to get you. So that's why most hackers or people wants to be private, they use Proxychains. So but anyway, the issue was, firstly, I could not go to this. So if you don't see these, just know that your what is not working. So what you're gonna do after doing all those configurations I showed you, and you see it's not working, so what you're going to do, you must switch off your computer, switch it on back, then you do the steps I showed you. You can pause the video, you can rewind the video and see what's going on. I hope this helped, and if you have any question, please you can drop it in the comment box below. So you saw we visited 2 countries on 1 computer, so this simply means it's difficult now to trace you. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and if anything doesn't work, you have to restart your computer. Then you go to the configurations, check them if they are properly set, then I guess that will work. Don't forget to subscribe, please, guys, and also I would like to say that you have to share our content if you like it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.